Today's 2 minutes of advice segment is all about reputation and crisis, so pick your cliche at the moment. Warren Buffett said it best, it takes 20 years to build a reputation and only 5 minutes to ruin it. Or if you're a baseball fan, we're going into spring training, you're only as good as your last at bat. And of course, lately we've all been talking about the term brand fragility. I want to talk today about a column, a blog that was just done by a gentleman by the name of Linus Bellianis. It's on Substack.com, and it's the story of GameStop and the popular stock trading app Robinhood. By now, everybody has heard about GameStop and its unbelievable meteoric rise in stock prices. Of course, the background there is that Reddit users found out that there were some investors who were shorting the GameStop stock. So they rallied around in order to boost the prices and stick it to the shorters. One of the ways they were doing that, buying and selling and trading, was on the commission-free stock trading app Robinhood. Well, as Bellianis points out in his blog, Robinhood let this take place for a while and then all of a sudden stopped the trading. And the way that it all went down, as he goes on to point out in his blog, is that it looked like Robinhood was more concerned about high-powered investors than they really were about the people who were using their app. People like us who are traders and don't want to pay commissions. So the long and the short of it is, Robinhood could have solved its problem by doing something that we talk a lot about here at Sunwest, which is, in crisis, in the face of bad news, communicate early and often. Be as open and as transparent as you possibly can, and even when you can't share a lot of details, let people in your audience know that. Let them know share what you can, and continue to communicate. Rinse, wash, and repeat. It's a great column by Linus Bellianis that I suggest you check it out. And of course, the point is one that couldn't be made better, and that is that reputations are saved, even in crisis, by good, open, frequent communication. And that's 2 minutes of advice today by Sunwest.